Programming. The mathematical experience of the student is incomplete if he had never had to the opportunity to solve a problem invented by himself. J. Folia. Linear programming. It is the method used in decision making in business for obtaining the maximum or minimum values of a linear experience subject to satisfying certain given inequalities. This linear expressions is known as an objective function, and the linear inequalities are known as linear constraints. In business or industry, we want to make the best use of our limited resources, be these in the form of money, labor, expenses, etc. The limitations on the resources can often be expressed in the form of linear inequations known as linear constraints. Objective function. A linear function of the involved variables which are want to maximize or minimize subject to the given linear constraints is known as an objective function. Example, consider a linear programming problem. Maximize z is equal to 205x plus 75y subject to the constraints 5x plus y less than or equal to 100, x plus y less than or equal to 60, and x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Here z is equal to 205x plus 75y is a linear objective function. X and y are called the decision variables. 5x plus y less than or equal to 100 and x plus y less than or equal to 60 are constraints. The conditions x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0 are called the non-negative restrictions. Optimal value of an objective function. The maximum or minimum value of the objective function is known as its optimal value. Feasible solution. A set of values of the variables satisfying all the constraints is known as feasible solution. Optimal solution. A feasible solution which leads to an optimal value of the objective function is known as an optimal solution. Infeasible solution. Any point outside the feasible region is called an infeasible solution. Theorem 1. Let R be the feasible region or convex polygon for a linear programming problem, and let z is equal to ax plus by be the objective function when z has an optimal value, maximum or minimum, where the variables x and y are subject to constraints described by linear inequalities. This optimal value must occur at a corner point or vertex of the feasible region. Theorem 2. Let R be the feasible region for a linear programming problem, and let z is equal to ax plus by be the objective function. If R is bounded, then the objective function z has both a maximum and minimum value of R, and each of these occurs at a corner point or vertex of R. Remark. If R is unbounded, then a maximum or minimum value or a minimum value of the objective function may not exist. However, if it is exist, it must occur at a corner point of R. Steps of solving linear program problem is referred as corner point method. Find the feasible region of the linear programming problem and determine its corner point or vertices either by inspection or by solving the two equations of the linear lines intersecting at that point. Second one, evaluate the objective function z is equal to ax plus by at each corner point. Let m and small m respectively denote the largest and smallest value of these points. Third one, when the feasible region is bounded, m and m are the maximum and minimum values of z. In case the feasible region is unbounded, we have a capital letter M is the maximum value of z if the open half plane determined by ax plus by greater than m has no point in common with the feasible region, otherwise z has the no maximum value. Similarly, small m is the minimum value of minimum value of z if the open half plane determined by ax plus by less than m has no point in common with the feasible region, otherwise z has no minimum value. Now exercise number 12.1, sum number 3. Maximize z is equal to 5x plus 3y subject to constraints are 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 15, 5x plus 2y less than or equal to 10, and x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. Now solution. First the given objective functions. Maximize z is equal to 5x plus 3y subject to the constraints 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 15, 5x plus 2y less than or equal to 10, and x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. First of all, draw the graph of the line. Draw the graph of the line 3x plus 5y equal to 15. Taking 2 points. This is the straight line not passing through origin. Suppose the equation of the straight line having only x and y values, it must passing through origin. If passing through origin means you give one value of x is 0, but another one value of x is another one number. So otherwise you give two values. If that part straight line not passing through origin, two values, one value x is equal to 0, another value y is equal to 0. Now this is x, y, here x is 0, here y is 0. If x is 0, then y is equal to 55, y is equal to 15, then y is equal to 3. If y is equal to 0, 3x equal to 15, then x is equal to 5. This is one of the 2 points of the lines. We using these 2 points, we can draw the graph of this line. Now find the feasible region of this line. Already studied in the 11th standard, the region. So which are the points are satisfied this inequality? That's are the solution region of this inequality. So using the method, first putting 0, 0 in the inequality, in the inequality 5x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y less than or equal to 15. Here 3 into 0 plus 5 into 0 less than or equal to 15, 0 less than or equal to 15, which is true. Therefore, the feasible, the half of the half plane means already this lines is divided the plane into half. The feasible region is contains one of the half plane, that plane containing a point origin. So the half plane means the feasible regions, the half plane containing feasible solution. The half plane is towards the origin. So next to find the draw the next graph of the second line and its half line. Now draw the graph of the line. Draw the graph of the line. Five x plus 2y equal to 10. Assume the values of x and y are 0. First x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, then 2y is equal to 10, y is equal to 5. If y is equal to 0, 5x is equal to 10, then x is equal to 2. Now, putting 0, 0 in the inequality, five x plus 2y less than or equal to 10. So 5 into 0 plus 2 into 0 less than or equal to 10, which is true. Zero, 10 is true. Therefore, the half plane is towards the origin. Next, since x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0, therefore the feasible region lies in the first quadrant. Now draw the graph of the lines. Now the feasible region only in the first quadrant, so draw the first quadrant of the graph. First line, draw the first line, there is a point 0, 3. 0, 3 is 0, 3, and the next point 5, 0. 5, 0 is these are the points of the first line. Now join the points. You should draw the graph only in the graph sheet. Use one graph note. In annual also they give one graph sheet. You do the graph sheet only. Should not do the unrolled paper or rolled papers. Only in graph sheet. Here scale also must. Now here I take the scale. X axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now draw the next line. The points are 0, 5 and 2, 0. 0, 5, this is one point, and 2, 0, this is another one point. Now join these 2 points. Here both of the solution half plane is containing the origin. So here the solution is down this side, here also the here. So the common region is this place. This is the common region. The corner points are 0, 0. This is O of 0, 0, and A of 2, 0. This want to find. This is C of 0, 3, 0, 3. Now find the point B. B is the point of intersection of the lines. The name of this line is 3x plus 5y equal to 15, and the name of this line 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. So solving these two equations, we get the point of intersection of the line, the point B. Now solve the equations. Now solve things. Here this one multiply by 5, this one multiply by 3. So 15x plus 25y is equal to 75. Here 15x plus 6y is equal to 30. Now subtract. 19y is equal to 45. So y is equal to 45 divided by 19. 19 is a half prime number, and 45 not a factor of multiples of 19. So this is in the both no common factor other than 1. Next line, next 3x plus 5y equal to 15. Here put the value. We put y is equal to 45 by 19, which implies 5x plus 5 into 45 by 19 is equal to 15. One common 5 is cancelled, which implies x plus 45 by 19 is equal to 3, which implies x is equal to 3 minus 45 by 19. This is equal to 57. Here 3x plus 5y equal to 15. Put y is equal to 45 by 19. 3x plus 5 into 45 by 19 is equal to 15. So 3x is equal to 15 minus 5 into 45 divided by 19. Now this is equal to 15 into 19 minus 5 into 45 the whole divided by 19 is equal to 285 minus 225 by 19 is equal to 60 by 19. Then x is equal to 60 by 19 into 3 is equal to 20 by 19. Therefore, the point V is 20 by 19 comma 45 by 19. So the corner point we also find out. Now the feasible region O, A, B, C and O, OBC. This is a closed polygon, convex polygon. And the corner points of the feasible region are O of 0, 0, A of 2, 0, B of 20 by 19, 45 by 19 and C of 0, 3. Now find the value of Z at the corner points. Z at the corner points. 4 corner points is there. Find the 4 values of Z. Here the corner point. Value of Z. Z is equal to 5x plus 3y. First corner 0, 0. Then Z is equal to 0. Next point A of 2, 0. So Z is equal to 5 into 2 plus 0 is equal to 10. And B of 20 by 19, 45 by 19. Here 5 into 20 by 19 plus 3 into 45 by 19. This is equal to 100 plus 135. 235 divided by 19. Now C 0, 3. 5 into 0 plus 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So maximum value, asking the maximum value only. So this is the maximum value. Therefore, the maximum value of Z is 235 by 19 at the corner point V of 20 by 19, 45 by 19. Now the question number 5. Maximize Z is equal to 3x plus 2y subject to constraints are x plus 2y less than or equal to 0, 10, and 3x plus y less than or equal to 15, and x greater than, comma y greater than or equal to 0. Solution. Now the problems: maximize z is equal to 3x plus 2y subject to x plus 2y less than or equal to 10, and 3x plus y less than or equal to 15, and x comma y greater than or equal to 0. X comma y greater than or equal to 0. This is the given problem. Now first draw the graph of the line. Draw the graph of the line x plus 2y equal to 10. X, y, x 0, then y is equal to 5, y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 10. Now putting 0, 0 in the inequality, x plus 2y less than or equal to 10. So 0 plus 2 into 0 less than or equal to 10, which implies 0 less than or equal to 10, which is true. Therefore, the half plane is towards the origin. Then draw the graph of the line. Next line of the line, 3x plus y is equal to 15. X 0, then y is equal to 15, y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 5, and putting 0, 0 in the inequality, in 3x plus y less than or equal to 15, then 3 into 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 15, which implies 0 less than or equal to 15, which is true. Therefore, the half plane is towards the origin. Next, solve these 2 points, 2 lines. Solve 3x plus y equal to 15 and 3x plus x plus 2y equal to 10. Here 3x plus 2y is equal to 15. This equation multiplied by 3. 3x plus 6y equal to 30. Now subtractions, 4y minus 4y is equal to minus 15. 3x plus y equal to 15 and 3x plus 6y equal to 30. Now minus 5y is equal to minus 15, which implies y is equal to 3. Put y is equal to 3 in x plus 2y is equal to 10, which implies x plus 2 into 3 equal to 10, which implies x is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Therefore, the point of intersection is 4 comma 3. And also since x greater than or equal to 0 comma y greater than or equal to 0, therefore the feasible region in first quadrant only. First quadrant. The feasible region lies in the first quadrant. You take 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. X axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Y axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Scale. First draw the points. First point 0 comma 5. You draw the line x plus 2y. 0 comma 5 is middle of this 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5. Next point 10 comma 0. 10 comma 0. Now join these 2 points getting one line. These 2 points. The line of name of the line x plus 2y is equal to 10. Next 0 comma 15. 0 comma 15 and 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0. This is the point 5 comma 0. Join. Now here the solutions towards the origin, here also towards the origin, when lies in the first quadrant. So the common regions. So the corner point O of 0 comma 0, A of 5 comma 0, and B of the point of intersection. The point of intersection is 4 comma 3. B of 4 comma 3 and C of 0 comma 5. Therefore the corner points of the feasible region is O of 0 comma 0, B of 5 comma 0, C of 4 comma 3 and B of A, B, C of 0 comma 5. And the feasible region is O, A, B, C, O. Now the value, find the value at the objective functions. Value of the corner point at the objective functions. Here corner point, here value of z is equal to 5x plus 10y. Z is equal to 3x plus 2y. First corner O of 0 comma 0, here 0, and A of 5 comma 0, 3 into 5 plus 2 into 0 is equal to 15, and B of 4 comma 3, 3 into 4 plus 2 into 3 is equal to 12 plus 6, 18, and C of 0 comma 5, here 3 into 0 plus 2 into 5 is equal to 15. 2 into 5 equal to 10. Therefore the maximum value, this is the maximum value. Therefore the maximum value is value of z is 18 at the point B of 4 comma 3. This is a bounded solution. We are having this is a closed convex polygon.